July 9th, 2018, testing my new camera, trying not to shake it around so much. So come out here and see the bees. Oh, they're busy today. They are busy today. I captured this swarm 3 times. They escaped from the hive boxes twice. I didn't like that. I put them back in this makeshift kind of box. It's actually modified. I have 2 strips across there that'll actually hold frames and some modified frame sized Langstroth or Langstroth frame sized top bar kind of things that I put in there, and looks like they're back to work pretty good. They're kicking a little bit of wax out of there, but not too much. No guard bees seem to be out. I don't know if I have a queen in here or not. I might have. They seem to be working pretty good. I'm standing right in front of them where I probably shouldn't be, and they're are they fighting there? They got robber bees? What's going on here? They seem to be doing pretty good. Bees going in and out. I don't know, you got all these ones out here flying around that don't seem to be going in, and there's kind of a little bit of when they escaped the first time and I got them back, there was a lot of fighting in the hive, and they swarmed out of the hive again, and there was, I think location of your hive is pretty important. If you get in a really like super conspicuous spot on the edge of a meadow near some big trees, and you got bright orange or white hives and other bees are in that traffic zone, and you guys come crawling up from the ground here and stuff. If you get in the wrong kind of zone, there's going to be a lot of robber bees coming by. And I think for some reason we got a lot of bees in an area this year, and that's kind of how I ended up with these. Let me pull this top frame off here and see, or this top, alright, I got this deep super kind of on top. Actually, I got to take this. This is a homemade beetle trap I made, and it kind of works because look at all the flies in there. I think there might actually be a couple beetles in there, but those were all robbing the other hive. They're not coming up into this box too much yet. See down in there, see down in there. There we go. See that piece of wood they're crawling around on with the pencil mark is my 3rd 2x4 modified top bar, and then on the left hand side there you got the Langstroth frame. Oh, my light's going. But they're not coming up into this top box yet, but they're busy, active, and really moving around down there. Let me set this frame down. Maybe I can... Oh yeah, I can see comb down in there. Let me pull it up to the frame, see if I get a little light in here. I got actual beetle traps now. I can replace that makeshift one with. Yeah, I can see comb down in that crack down in there. And that's the comb that I probably stuck on the side of the 2x4, trying to get this these bees are super docile if you're, just... They seem to be doing a lot of work on the lid over here. I don't know if they're trying to seal that off with... It looks like they're kind of trying to seal it off with some propolis or something. Seal off that hole for the whole top box. I want them to move up here, but they're going to probably have to fill up that bottom first. They seem to be happy and working. Get out of there, fly. Flies, get the best of everything around here. Alright, so that was interesting. I'm going to give them a few more days and I'll probably open the top, see how the comb's going in there, see if they got on the frames that are on the right hand side over here, and see how that's going. Cut. Oh wait, I gotta go look at my peppers. I'll make another video for that. Cut.